welcomed into this front page where it says welcome seller, and then it tells you all about the benefits of selling your pre-loved fashion online. The only thing you need to do is not a seller yet, just simply go to join now, and then you will put your email address, your name there, your email address, set your passwords, and then you create your account. But since we have been a seller, if you are a seller already, you just enter your email address there and you enter your password, and then you just log into your account. When you get into your account, you immediately land on this page, the product page. On here, you would, if you want to add a new product, you would simply go here, and in here you will follow our other tutorial about adding products. The thing that I would suggest that you do when you sign up is immediately go into my account, and this is where you would set up your actual account. You would put your email address there like we have already, your name, and this would be your name and not your shop name, followed by your seller name, which will be your shop name, the city that you're in, the country that you're in, and which province you are in. You will see all these requests are all mandatory, so if you do not fill in any of them, it will not allow you to proceed to the next screen. And then followed by your seller's contact email address. So I suggest you don't use your very personal one. Maybe make up a business one that you can isolate your work images or work messages in there. And here it's all about the store details. So you're just basically telling people about your store. So you can say pre-loved fashion from international brands, or from international brands, or you can add we love vintage clothing, and go through a great deal to source them, to source them. And you can write as many things as you want on there. And there you can add bullet points. I suggest everybody puts bullet points because it's just much more easier on the eye and it's easier to read. And you can decide on the font size that you prefer. That is all up to you. And here, very important, is to add your policy, and this will be your returns, exchanges, your refunds, and delivery, as well as your delivery timelines. It is very, very important to be straight up front and transparent with the customer on this so that they know about the rules of your store. So the rules of the store will be seen right in front. I'm going to take you to the next screen. Right in front of your store, the customer will be able to see these. It's very important that you add these in order to minimize your returns and in order to minimize the customer queries that are going to be coming. So the more details you add here, the better shopping experience for your consumer. So the next thing you would do is you would upload your seller profile image and status, and this is an image of you yourself. So you can simply just go up here, you can upload image, and then you can choose your image file. We're gonna choose from, gonna go to options, and we're gonna choose one of these images. So upload image, you save your image, and it will notify you once successfully saved. Your image will be uploaded. And then here you can add your seller logo. This will be the logo of your store. This is the identity that your store will carry out throughout social media, through emails. This is basically your store branding. And you would do the same thing here. You can upload in here by clicking here, choose a logo. Take care that you stick within the dimensions that are required, 165 by 165. So this would be the size of the logo. It will not be able to upload very big files, but it can take fairly big files. If you want to remove your shop logo, you would go here. And then once you're done, you have to hit the save button. And this will save all your work. It will not allow you to go to the next step until you've hit the save button. Once you're done, you can simply go into view your store, and on here would be your shop owner, which is your face and your picture, so that the customer knows who you are. Your shop logo will be here, where you're from, how many products you've got in your store, how long have you joined for, and then in here we will add a banner. We will create a banner that will be fitting to your particular store. You can add a static banner or you can add a video through YouTube. In here is the contacts, how your customers can contact you. These are the products and they filtered by product type, and you've got all the products that you have listed in your store here. Your policy and that you have set on the previous screen would be shown here, and your store description that you had saved will be shown here as well. And that would be how to set up your store profile.